Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. And first, I'm going to wet the face. How's everybody doing? It's Sunday shave. Whoop whoop. All right, so today I'm going to be using 345 Soap Company, and this is Estes. This one worries me a little bit. I'm picking up orange, an orange smell. I believe it's ginger and maybe some cinnamon, but I'll put the notes right here. I'm allergic to oranges, so I want to try it anyway. Worst that can happen, who knows? Usually that's if I eat them, so I'm not planning on eating this soap. And today's razor is going to be the Razorock German Slant. And this is a closed comb or solid bar. Take that apart. And I'm going to be using the Gillette 7 o'clock green. I already have that out of the package here. And the one nice thing about these is the glue dots are very minimal. So let's see here. I'm going to take that and load that into the top cap. Put the base plate on there. And screw on the handle. Now, one thing I will tell you, if you're one of those wild shavers, you will have to watch out because the tabs do stick out there. And you can see the blade there has a nice little slant to it. I do have the soap already lathered up in the Captain's Choice bowl. And this soap is definitely coming alive. I'm using the Omega Boar brush, and before I get too far, I need to do some pre-shave. Just going to use my Gylcerine soap here. Got a couple days worth of growth. Almost dropped it. Let me work that in a little bit here. Oh yeah. I did ask my wife about this soap. I asked her, you like it? What do you think it smells like? And she said it reminded her of a Christmas scent. So I've been using some synthetic brushes here lately, and just coming back to this Boar brush, it reminds me why I like the Boar brush. I just like the way it feels. It's got a little bit more backbone to it, and so I feel that really helps lift up those facial hairs and to get the soap underneath it. I'm going to warm that razor up here and give her a go. I can tell you right away, this is a very mild shave. It almost gives you that impression of, is it cutting? That blade is nice and sharp. You guys have anything exciting happen this weekend? I got a new dog last week, so I've been playing a little bit of puppy daycare. I got an 8-week-old Doberman. She's adapting to the family quite well. You want to see a picture? Okay, I'll put a picture right here. I was going to put her in the video with me, but she was kind of whining a little bit because she definitely wants my attention all the time, and I didn't want her jumping around on me. So, she's with my wife right now. And I said, I'm going to knock this video out real quick. And it'll be back to playtime. As far as this razor goes, this is the stainless steel handle, so it's got a nice heft to it. Let's see here. And I do believe that head is a alloy head of some sort. That's a very nice smooth shave, actually. The soap smells nice. 345 always gives a nice shave. I can't say that I've had any bad experiences with it. This may be the first soap that I may not be, you know, my favorite. I can already feel a little tingly around my eyes, which makes me think, what's going on here? What do you guys think about slant razors? Do you have one? Have you tried one? I'd say that this is an excellent combination of the blade and razor. Let me just check out what I got here. I can say it's not super close, but there's no need chasing it. A bowl full of cold water here off camera. I don't know if you heard that, but my wife's little Yorkie poo is not a real fan of the Doberman. And rightfully so, because she's a little bitty thing compared to this big dog, and so she's wanting to be a little bit more on guard. I have an ice cube here for some not pre-shave, but post-shave. Got the Black Sheep towel by Lancaster with the nice fall orange. Sorry about that, I just came back. I had to go ahead and wash that off. I could feel a little bit of irritation starting, so I will not be using the matching splash. I'm going to grab my Sterling Unscented with the Glacial package. Get a little bit of that right there. So if you're allergic to oranges, you may want to stay away from that. Nothing against the soap maker. It's just, you know, I've got the subscription package, and I didn't look to see what the soap was coming out next or what the profile was, so it's kind of my fault. All right, let's see here. What am I going to do? I think I'm going to go with a little bit of Frostbite Star Jelly. The Sterling already has enough menthol in it, but this does have a slight minty scent to it, so I figured let's go ahead and, since I don't have any fragrance on after that. Wow, what a shave, what a shave. All right, well, that concludes my quick little shave for Sunday morning, and there you go. maybe you will see me on Will It Shave Wednesday. Yeah, you're going to see me on Will It Shave Wednesday because I've got something that I want to try out. And that's the whole thing about Will It Shave Wednesday. So if you guys have made it this far, I appreciate you sticking with me and watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button now to see me in the future shave videos. And you guys have a good rest of your week.